Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting this cute little girl holding a balloon, and for that I did use this Hahnemuller sketchbook, watercolor book. Also I did use this Raphael number 0 quill brush. For the watercolors I used Viviva color sheets, both sets, basic and spring set. And from the basic set I used yellow ochre, burnt umber, sap green. And from the spring set, burgundy, tree bark brown, and also did use this Micron 03 Pigma ink pen, pencil for drawing my sketch, and needed a eraser for just erasing those lines later on. And that's all the supplies I did use, so without further ado, let's get to it. I'm gonna start with the pencil and first gonna draw my girl. I do wanna make her head look like a little bell and like also a flower. Her dress that it's floating in the wind, or just she's just maybe running or dancing in the meadow. And if you do not want to sketch yourself, this sketch will be available for download on my Patreon. So if you join for free, you will get the access to the sketch, and also on my Patreon. But for the paid members, this video will be available in real time, step by step. So if you would like that, if you prefer real-time videos with step-by-step instructions, well, you can check it out. I will put the link in the description box. Couple of flowers in the meadow. You can just draw your flowers just as you please. And when I'm finished with the pencil lines, I'm gonna move on to the inking. Just go on top of the lines that I drew for my sketch. And later on, I will embellish it a little bit more, add more details. I'm gonna erase those pencil lines with a kneaded eraser, and then add more details as I mentioned. And you can see that my lines are broken and sketchy. I do prefer this looser look, especially when I'm gonna use my watercolors later on. Some more shading and details also onto the dress and to the balloon. I'm going to draw dots on it. Again, you can just draw whatever you like, embellish your balloon just the way you like. For the florals, I'm going to keep it simple. Some are going to be just simply black. And also these, I'm going to add a little bit more ink and the central stamens. And that's it. Quite simple as that for the inking. Moving on to the watercolors, starting with the green. First I'm gonna paint in the meadow. Again, quite loosely, some splatters. And a little bit of the yellow ochre for the dress. I do want to keep it bright and sunny. Burnt umber for the hair. And also I do want to keep it loose, so I'm gonna move that paint around, make it bleed outside the edges. And for that beautiful, gorgeous yellow shine, I'm gonna move it around, splatter some more, and with the tree bark brown, I'm gonna add some shadows in the hair of my girl. And I do want to make the balloon also quite colorful, so I'm going to use burgundy to paint it, just to give it a little bit of the contrast. This yellowish green and bright pink at the top. I just love this color combination. You can change it up. You can just use any colors you like, but that's what I really love. Some touch-ups with the green, some more splatters. And with that, we are done. So as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this video, find it fun and simple enough to give it a try. I do encourage you. Remember, Sketch is available for download. I will put the link in the description box. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it and comment. If you haven't still, do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Again, thank you so much for joining me today and see you next time. Bye!